Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, let us see how exactly we can start a APM server using a program. Okay, this is the scenario. Using a program, how exactly you can start your APM server. Immediately, a quick question that comes in our mind. Surendra, we are starting the server from the command prompt. What is the need? Ideally, in some situations, whenever you are working on your program, it's not always possible for us to start the server. That's the reason. If the server starting code is there as part of your program, it will establish a session before executing the program, and after the execution, it will terminate the session too. That's the reason it's mandatory, okay, to start and stop the server within the program itself. So what I'm gonna do right now is copy the existing program and I'm just pasting server start program. Okay, I just created a server starter program. So there is some program that we have already created some time before. So what are we gonna do right now is we are gonna start the server programmatically, for which you have an APM service. I'm storing this APM service in an APM server instance. And the simple thing is dot start is the method which will start the server, and at the end of your execution, okay, APM service dot stop. Okay, APM server dot stop. That's it. Dot start is the method which will start the server, and dot stop is the method which will stop the server. Okay, and the major thing that we will be noticing here is whenever you are running the server from a terminal, you will be seeing a detailed log, whereas in this particular case, a detailed log, you won't be able to see that. But the only thing that we can do is, I can use apm server dot is running, and the another one is apm server dot is listening. I can check it out whether the server is running or not, and whether the server is listening or not. We can check these actions. So here I just connected my visor. It's saying that the server is started and it is listening to. And if you see whichever the application that you have given here as part of this program, it launched that application and it is trying to perform that operation. And one thumb rule that you need to consider here is, as in when you have started the server, it's mandatory for us to terminate the server instance at the end. So start the server and stop the server. This is the key thing that you need to follow. Okay, the script execution is happening on a on a mobile instance, which is successful. The only thing that drives the complete server instance is, APM service is the key thing that drives the complete instance. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.